Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll show you how you can speed up videos on your iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up your app store and then download a third-party application that's called CapCut. Once you source your CapCut, simply download it in your mobile device. Once it is installed, head back to your home screen, open up your CapCut. Inside here, you need to go ahead and tap on New Project. Select the video you would like to speed up. Then you need to go ahead and tap on Add. Now once you're inside here, you have to go ahead and simply click on the video inside your timeline. Then inside here, you will then be able to find speed option. Simply select it and then tap on normal. Now inside here, you will have to go ahead and simply increase the speed of the video. Once it is done, you need to go ahead and tap on this tick mark. Just like that, as you can see, it says the speed right over here. Let's go ahead and simply play it. And that is how you can speed up videos on iPhone. Once you're satisfied, simply tap on export and then it will get saved in your gallery. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.